challenge with my cousin right here. And he's my favourite cousin in the whole entire world.
Oh.
And we're going to do the video with my cousin.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready, Austin?
Don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what they're going to be tasting.
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
No.
This one, red hot pepper sauce. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Is it hot?
I was going to about put this in my...
Oh.
I done it.
It's firecracker sauce.
Firecracker.
Fiery and smoky. I wonder if it's hot. Do you think it's going to be hot?
No.
Do you think it's going to be hot?
No,
God knows.
Go.
It tastes
Fine.
fun.
Was it nice?
Yeah.
Oh.
It tastes juicy.
Does it hit you?
Doesn't hit me though. It tastes so good.
Does it?
Might have it with dinner.
Next one is extra hot Scotch bonnet sauce. Are you ready for this? All of it. Is it hot? How hot is it?
Super hot, like this big.
Like how big?
This big.
I like your milk moustache.
No, my mouth bad though.
Is it still hot? Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're a trooper.
I'm a villager.
A villager.
Oh my god.
Are you going to do the next one, Austin?
It's still hot. It's still hot, guys. Still hot.
The next one is horseradish.
It's
1, 2, 3. Horseradish. Put it all in, Preston.
so.
You can do it. You can do it. And you have 5 seconds to put it all in your mouth. Really?
Doesn't taste good.
Oh, wow. So Austin didn't do it.
Yep.
Can you do it again?
No. Say? No.
Are you sure?
No. Smells like that.
Sardines. You either love it or you hate it.
I might like it though, guys.
Sardines. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Good boy.
Do you want to have the rest?
Okay, well we can save that for later then.
They're for dinner.
For dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want the firecracker sauce and sardines for dinner?
Oh! Yeah, I want this. I want this.
Oh.
A few moments later.
4 more sardines.
Go on then.
Okay. Still good.
Okay. You're a weird one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Next one is mackerel fillet spicy tomato sauce. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'll still drink this.
Are you ready?
Yeah. That's joking. It didn't hurt.
2, 3, go. What do you think? You like that?
I like it. And I like that too.
That's good. Woo! Woo! You're so weird. A piece of garlic. Go.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's hot. I don't like it.
Don't stab yourself with the fork. Put the fork down. You good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Bye.